Struggling to make my property listings stand out online was frustrating. No matter how polished the photos were, they just weren't enough. Potential buyers would scroll right past without a second glance. It felt like my listings were getting lost in the noise, and I knew I needed something more powerful to truly capture attention. Then, while researching new strategies, I came across real estate video marketing services, and everything changed. The first thing that blew me away was the professional drone footage. Seeing properties from an aerial perspective brought a whole new level of impact. Suddenly, I could highlight the entire layout, the neighborhood, and even those subtle exterior details that static images never quite capture. It felt like I was giving buyers a movie trailer for their potential new home. I decided to try it out and hired a freelance video pro for my next property listing. What I got in return was nothing short of cinematic. The video had smooth transitions, elegant background music, and dynamic shots that made the home feel luxurious and inviting. Even better, editing was lightning fast. In just 24 hours, I had a fully polished video ready to post. The results? Immediate. Views spiked. Inquiries poured in. Buyers weren't just browsing, they were in buys and genuinely interested. That single video made the property feel exclusive, modern, and emotionally irresistible. Since then, I've made real estate video marketing a core part of my selling strategy. If you're serious about selling faster and making your listings unforgettable, this is the game changer you've been waiting for. Click the link in the description to discover how you can transform your listings with stunning video content.